We are the Workforce Planning Board of Grand Erie. Our job is to provide a leadership role in workforce development through Brantford, Brant, Haldeman, Norfolk, Six Nations, and New Credit. Our work includes labor market research and planning, information gathering and analysis. We identify employment trends, creating strategies to address needs, and assisting employers with human resource planning. We partner with over 150 businesses and organizations to find solutions to local workforce development needs. Working with representatives of labor, business, education, and equity groups, we build strong collaborative relationships between organizations and businesses in our region. We develop community programming for those re-entering the workforce, helping prepare people seeking employment and connecting them with job information and resources. We work with employers and community partners to engage the next generation, opening their minds to career possibilities in apprenticeships and skilled trades. Through Manufacturing Month and Epic Jobs, we help youth see the vast local labor market and understand the opportunities at their doorstep. A skilled and resilient workforce makes our community and economy stronger. This is what drives us each day.
The program gives people an opportunity to get their foot in the door to one of the local businesses here. For example, they go for a 6-week program, and then after that they have 2 weeks at a local employer, and the idea is for them to find full-time permanent employment.
This program helped me out. They updated my information so that I knew how to work in a distribution center rather than manufacturing.
The course leaders have done a good job setting out the program. When they see different candidates come into the course, they're very well versed of which ones sort of go to each workplace, which helps us because then we're doing interviews on ones that are interested and have the skills for our workplace.
I was looking into driving machinery was what I wanted to do in the warehouse next. With the program, they actually give you a foot in and get you some licensing to start with. Trying to get a job is hard, but having support behind you the whole way and making sure that you get a job, they stand beside you for a year to make sure that you're okay. Nothing's going to do that for you like they do.